everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Ross?
On this beautiful sunny afternoon, we're gonna make the Jack Frost.
Okay.
So the Jack Frost has some pineapple, some vodka, and some blue curacao, is that how you say it?
Carousel?
Something.
We're making it, it's blended. So make sure you got a blender.
Yep, and it's gonna be loud, but that's okay.
Okay. So we're gonna do 4 ounces of pineapple juice.
Okay.
We opted for the canned version. 1, 2, 3,
4. Beautiful.
For that, we're gonna do about 2 ounces of blue.
Some of the blue in there.
1, 2.
And
A
couple of shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka.
A little more than that.
And then we're gonna do about 2 ounces of the real coconut cream.
And where do you buy this stuff? You can just get it at like Sobeys,
Yep.
Any of the grocery stores. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna blend this up. Do you want to go ahead and put a little rim on those glasses?
This will give it its Jack Frost look.
Cool.
Just gonna use a lime and then a little bit of sugar while Jamie's blending this up.
Very blue.
Wow.
Wow.
That is fun in a glass right there.
It's almost green looking.
Yeah.
Like the yellow pineapple juice when we did it. Alright. Try this out.
Here we go. Beautiful. Okay.
Here we go.
Jack Frost on a nice sunny afternoon.
Blend it.
Cheers.
That's delicious.
That's definitely a poolside type drink, right?
That's good.
That
That's like-
coconut in there is actually really good.
it's really close to a Pina Colada.
Yeah.
That's really good.
I'd give you a headache after a few of those, but that's a tasty drink.
Give it a go.
Very good.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.